In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Venmo teen account. Now, in order to do this, first of all, your parents need to help you with this process. And basically, the parent needs to set up their personal Venmo account first before they're able to make a teen account. So if you're a parent watching this video, you need to go ahead and make a Venmo account first, and then afterwards, you can create an account for your teen. So here's what you would need to do. You need to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or the App Store if you're on an iOS device. Then you would go ahead and you just look up Venmo right over here and install it. It is completely free. Then it is going to walk you through the account creation process, and there are some pieces of information that you will need. For starters, you will need a US based phone number, and you will also need to provide your legal name, your email, and you will need to create a secure password. So please make sure you have all these pieces of information in a safe location. You may need to verify your email, and you will definitely need to verify your phone number. You will also need to submit your date of birth, address, and social security number, or ITIN, and you may need to verify your identity with a government issued ID like a driver's license, a state ID, or a passport. So you just want to have all those important documents on standby, and of course you will need to link a United States bank account or a card. So yeah, thankfully Venmo makes it incredibly easy and will let you know if there's anything else that you need to do. But once you went ahead and created your own personal account, you should have something that looks like this. Now, in order to actually get a teen account, you want to go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says me. Then you want to go to the top left and press on your profile right over here on your name, and then you're going to see this option that says create a teen account. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that, and that basically allows teenagers from ages 13 and 17 to have their very own Venmo account without any fees, and there is no minimum balance either. And then you can go ahead and pick out your teen's color over here, and you will need to input information about the teen as well. So you will need to input things like their full name, their date of birth in order to confirm that they're actually 13 to 17, and a US based phone number for the teen's account. You could use a separate virtual US phone number for the teen if you wanted to in order to maintain privacy, but the point is your teen needs to have their own separate phone number in order for this to work, and the parent must confirm their role as the legal guardian and agree to oversee the account. And afterwards, your teen will get their very own debit card, and they will also get their account where they can go ahead and receive payments or send payments out, and in general it is a great learning experience for teenagers. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.